Alright guys, welcome back to my video. This is going to be a quick one because I've done this video like 3 times and sound just keeps on getting corrupted. So very tired right now. So quick look at what I have been looking at. So I'm just going to start from this fair value gap, right? So let me see. I remember the dates of the fair value gap, but we're just going to drag it. So we're going to be looking at this first one, this blue line. That's this fair value gap, and then this yellow line. Those two fair value gap is what we're going to be looking at. So let's go back to the present. Now, when I saw price, this first candle and this second candle invalidate this first fair value gap. It became a reverse fair value gap, right? This first black candle, this second black candle, when it invalidated this fair value gap, it became a reverse fair value gap. I entered right here on this candle. Then I was observing how price reacts at that second fair value gap, right? Then now this is now I was watching how price react, then I saw this movement up. Now let me give you my full overview. I remember telling you guys on the monthly time frame that I'm expecting price to take out this body, this low, and this low, which is what price has done. Now, overall, I'm still bearish, right? Why am I still bearish? Because we are reacting off a reverse value gap on the monthly time frame. So I just took um, a price range, measured it. That's from this low to this high. That's my price range, and this is the middle point of the price range. This is 50%. That's discount. That's like where it's cheap to buy from this price range. So I'm expecting to see price come to take out this low, possibly this low, and maybe touch this 50%. So that's like my overall bias. Number one is prompting me to look for a little bit of buy is this right here. I remember telling you guys that the bodies of candles are always sensitive, especially when you see a candlestick taking out lows and then you see relative equal bodies. I'm always expecting price to come back to touch those bodies and then continue its movement downwards. So that's like what is prompting me to look for buys, not look for buys, but because it's like what is making me to shift to buying right here. Because first of all, I'm seeing price reacting from that fair value gap, respecting it, and then taking out. This is remember this was a reverse. This blue line was a reverse fair value gap. The stop loss is supposed to would have been here, and if price was continually bearish, it's not supposed to have taken out, but it was taken out, so it made me like, okay, um there's a potential opportunity for buys, right? So this was how I initially got into the trade. Let me just show you that guys quickly. Started off from the 30 minutes. So this was the fair value gap. Price came to the fair value gap, reacted, went lower, then took out the fair value gap, became reverse fair value gap, entered on the at the top of the reverse value gap, stop loss was here. Then all these movements. Now, before this movement happened, I'll be trying to record this video, so I'm just going to ignore this. Now, it was right here. I was not. I didn't like I didn't like this choppy movement, so I'd like taking partials out of my trades already. So yeah. But my trades are still on, but partials have been like taken out because I don't because if price is to move up, at least I expect clean movement. But what's all these choppy movement? So right now I'm expecting price to come take out this low and give me a proper entry or give me a better entry and maybe better movement. So that's why I'm looking at this 1 hour fair value gap because we see price reacting there, coming lower and then violating it. So this is also a reverse fair value gap, a reverse fair value gap to which price never touched. So I'm expecting price to come back and touch it, and then in touching it, it's taking out this low, clearing out anybody that's in an early buy here and giving me proper entry to buy to those that weekly body that I pointed out to you earlier. So that's what I'm looking at. Now, is it possible that price might come here and then take out of this low? Yes. Now, if price comes here and takes out of this low, does it mean that I'm going to start selling immediately? No. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be waiting for the 4 hours candle. I'm going to be observing the 4 hours to see how the 4 hours the body will react around this value gap that push price up. So I'm going to be expecting to see the 4 hour the body of the 4 hours candle close below it. And when it closes below it, expect a retracement and continue this. That's what I'm going to be expecting. But as of right now, my bias is expecting price to go back to this weekly body, probably touch it, or maybe the wicks at least just around this area before going down, because I'm seeing some confirmation already on the 4 hours. So it's like it's my bias. It could be right, it could be wrong, but that's my bias. So using this 1 hour reversal value up to push price up. So that's like my bias right now. So this is not a financial advice. This is I've made this video is very short, 6 minutes. It was longer than this before, but after multiple recording, I just got frustrated and tired. So that's why I'm rushing. So pardon me. So this video is for educational purpose and not financial advice. You are liable for your losses and as for your wins as well. God bless you.